What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard from flooding by running out their sump pump line. As you can see, it's right next to the house. Pumps out and just recharges right back into the house and just goes and goes and goes. So let's get into it. All right, as it is right here, it just comes out. The sump pump's in the corner, so it just goes, recycles, and keeps going. I'm going to end up taking it out, running it down here, going all the way down. Out to here, 45 and across the yard, and then end up over here to a catch basin and a mini dry well so all the water can come up, build all out here, and recharge back into the ground on their property. So let's get started. And here we go. Everything is completely dug out. The pump line's going to be here under the rock and the dirt. Everything else going straight all the way down underneath the sprinkler line, so when the air rate doesn't hit the pump line, it's going to keep going all the way down here to the mini dry well, which is about at least 3 feet deep. I'd say a little over a foot into the actual sand table down there. So when everything comes down and drains, you should have it a bigger area to be able to drain quicker into the sand table and recharge back into the yard. Now, to pipe it all. And now that we have it all completely piped up, try to make sure we keep some kind of pitch on it as well. As you can see, we start out pretty good downhill to level. Keep it going, just try to maintain downhill to level the entire way. So that way there's no more pressure pushing it, at least gravity can still do its thing. As you can see, we're over halfway downhill to level here. Everything keeps going out, come around the corner. And we have everything over here. Got it down a little level here. Keep it going all the way. And then, as always, I always make the last piece extremely downhill to level. That way, when there's no more pressure going, all the water can still drain into the ground coming out of the pipe off gravity. Helps prevent against any kind of freezing. And of course, now I'm going to go ahead and filter cloth this, fill it up with some pipe and some rock, and that's going to be our mini dry well. So, time to get to it. And here we go. This is exactly how it's going to work. All the water's going to come in, come right through, and keep draining into the mini dry well where I have the pipe, rocks, everything all around it. I'm going to fill the rest of this area with a little bit more rock. As you see, all the water comes rushing in, rushing in, rushing in. And it continuously cycles about every minute. And on the water immediately drains all the way down into the dry well, which is about 3 feet deep. All pieces of pipe, everything in there to make the mini dry well to have even bigger voids, just like that. Now to backfill the rest. And here's the finished product. Everything comes down here, drains into the mini dry well, keeps going into the ground, and disperses and recharges on their property. This is exactly how you eliminate water from flooding your yard, by extending out your pump. Make sure the sump pump is not next to the foundation to create more issues in the future. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe. And until the next one.